Hello, today we are going to learn another type of construction of a triangle. Here, three things will be given: base BC, base angle B, and the difference of the other two sides. Now, the difference of the other two sides may be AB minus AC or AC minus AB. So we have two cases. In the first case, angle B will be given and the difference AB minus AC is given. So the longer side is AB, which is the side on the given angle B. In case 2, the difference given is AC minus AB. So here the longer side is AC, which is not on the given angle B. So we have two cases. The difference between the two cases is that in the first case the longer side is on the given angle B, and in the second case the longer side is not on the angle given. So let's take an example of the first case. So we are going to construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 8 centimeter, angle B is 45 degrees, and AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeters. The first step is to draw a line segment BC of 8 centimeters. Now we are going to construct angle B of 45 degrees. So first we construct 90 degree and then bisect it to get 45 degrees. So angle CBX is 45 degrees. Now AB minus AC is given as 3.5 centimeters. So from B we are going to make an arc of radius 3.5 centimeter to get the point D on the ray BX. So in the figure you can see we have an arc to giving point D. So BD is of 3.5 centimeters. Next we are going to join C to D. Now we need to make the perpendicular bisector of CD. So we will make arcs from C and D on both sides to get the points M and N. Next we will join MN and extend it to get the point A. So in the figure you can see that when we join MN we get a point of intersection with the ray BX. This point is A. The next step is to join A to C. This gives us the required triangle ABC. Now, the justification for this construction is that the perpendicular bisector of CD divides the triangle ACD into two congruent parts. So, AC and AD are of equal length by CP, CT. Now, AB minus AD is 3.5 centimeter. So, AB minus AC will also be 3.5 centimeter as AD and AC are equal. So, we have AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter, which was given. Hence, ABC is our required triangle. Now let's take another example of case 2. Here we will take BC as 6 centimeters, angle B as 60 degrees, and AC minus AB as 2 centimeters. So first step is again to draw a line segment BC of length 6 centimeters. Next we will make angle B of 60 degrees. So angle CBX is of 60 degrees. Now we will extend this angle B downwards. So we will extend XB downwards to get BY. Now we have AC minus AB as 2 centimeters given. So our next step is going to be to make an arc of 2 centimeters from B on BY to get the point D. So you can see in the figure, taking B as center, we have made an arc of 2 centimeters to get the point D. The next step is to join C to D. Now we will make the perpendicular bisector of CD. So taking C and D as centers, we will make arcs of the same radii on both sides of CD to get the points M and N. Next we are going to join MN and extend it to get point A on the ray BX. Now we are going to join A to C. So ABC is our required triangle. To justify this construction, we see that the perpendicular bisector of CD divides the triangle ACD into two congruent parts. So by CPCT, AC and AD are equal. But AD minus AB is 2 centimeters. Hence we can say AC minus AB is also 2 centimeters. But this was the given value. AC minus AB is 2 centimeters. So ABC is our required triangle. Thank you.